And I'm Emily. Welcome to the Tiger Foam Tank Preparation Instructional video.
We are going to show you the basics of the foam kit. These are the basics for all Tiger Foam kits.
Before you begin, check the shipping cartons for any damage, and pair up the tanks so that you have an A tank and a B tank. This is especially important if you have ordered multiple products.
Open the A tank and remove the hoses and the attached gun and inspect for damage.
Using a contact
or infrared thermometer, measure the tank's temperature. The tanks must be between 75 and 85 degrees. If the tanks measure in this range, you can shake the tank and prepare to spray.
If the tank temperature is below 75 degrees, you will need to heat the tank. If the temperature is between 70 and 75 degrees, remove the tank from the carton, put one heating pad in the bottom, and return the tank to the carton to heat.
If the tank measures below 70 degrees or the air temperature is below 70 degrees, you should use a tank blanket and 3 heating pads.
To prepare the tanks to spray, you'll need safety glasses and gloves. Remove the tank from the carton so that you can easily attach the brass hose end on the steel tank fitting.
Use a small amount of petroleum jelly on the threads of each tank. Hand thread the hoses onto the tank. The hose with the red stripe goes to the A tank,
and the hose with the black stripe goes to the B tank. Using the wrench from the tips bag, tighten the fittings.
Next, you will want to put on the Tyvek suit, respirator, and safety goggles. It is recommended that you also use Tyvek sleeves or long cuffed gloves.
Additionally, if you will be spraying for any length of time, or if the weather is hot, be prepared to wear shorts and a t-shirt under the Tyvek suit, as the Tyvek fabric does not freeze. Before you attach the tips, open the valves on both tanks and spraying into a box, pull the trigger on the gun about 1/4 of the way to make sure both nozzles are spraying.
With a fast rise kit or quick rise kit, you'll have a combo package of tips, both fan tips and cone tips. The fan tip gives a broad spray pattern, and the cone tip gives a round spray pattern.